AI video just got a lot more real, and now Android users are next in line for the ride. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. OpenAI's wildly popular video generation app, Sora 2, has already surpassed 1 million downloads on iOS, and now it's quietly appeared on the Google Play Store. While it's not available for download yet, Android Police founder Artem Rusakowski confirmed it's open for pre-registration in the US and Canada, a clear signal that its Android debut is right around the corner. Uploaded by the official OpenAI account, this isn't one of the many knockoffs cluttering app stores, but just spotting it on the Play Store doesn't mean you'll be able to use it, at least not yet. Just like iOS, access to Sora 2 still requires an invite or special code, a move likely intended to keep servers from crashing in demand. So, what's making Sora 2 so special? Well, Sora 2 is OpenAI's most advanced AI video app. It lets users generate realistic videos of people and scenes with complex physics and natural movement. Initially criticized for potential misuse, OpenAI has since added permissions and safeguards to prevent abuse. Its visual quality rivals top competitors like Gemini's Nano Banana and Kling 2.5 Pro. But what really sets it apart is its blend of accessibility and stunning output. The only hard part is to keep it affordable, because this type of video generation doesn't come cheap, especially when millions are lining up to try it. So if you're an Android user, now's the time to hit that pre-register button. But just don't forget, you'll need the magic code to unlock the full experience. Are you waiting to try Sora, or have you already tried it? Tell us your pick in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.